Fruit Smoothie, a refreshing English lesson. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of language, focusing on the phrase, fruit smoothie. This phrase is not only a treat for the taste buds but also a delightful example of English vocabulary in action. Get ready to blend words and meanings as we explore this tasty topic. A fruit smoothie is a blended beverage made from a mix of fruits, often combined with other ingredients such as milk, yogurt, or ice. It's known for its smooth, creamy texture and refreshing taste. The word smoothie highlights the smooth texture of the drink. It's a popular choice for a healthy and quick snack or breakfast option. Let's dissect the phrase, fruit. This refers to the edible, sweet product of a tree or other plant that contains seed. Smoothie. A smoothie is a thick, smooth drink of fresh fruit pureed with milk, yogurt, or ice cream. Together, fruit smoothie conveys the idea of a creamy, fruit-based drink. Fruit smoothies have gained popularity worldwide, often seen as a healthy lifestyle choice. They are common in cafes, health food stores, and even at home. The phrase can be associated with health consciousness, convenience, and enjoying natural flavors. 1. I made a banana and strawberry fruit smoothie for breakfast. 2. Fruit smoothies are perfect for a hot summer day. 3. Can you recommend a good fruit smoothie recipe? These sentences show how the phrase is commonly used in everyday English. I hope this video has given you a refreshing insight into the phrase, fruit smoothie, and added some flavorful knowledge to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English can be as fun and delightful as enjoying a delicious fruit smoothie. Stay curious, keep learning, and enjoy your language journey. See you in the next video.